AVSnap has a built-in player for playing any type of audio files. It can be MP3, WAV, or anything else you can play on your computer. Using sounds can significantly improve user experience with control systems. Open AVSnap and switch it to control mode by selecting 640x480 page resolution. Place video object outside of the project page. Go to the website www.soundj.com and select the sound that you'd like to play. This could include beeps when buttons are pressed or special effects when pages are changed. Select the smallest file possible as to minimize the sound load time. Double-click on the video object and set properties as shown. Select the file that you downloaded from the website. Change the video object ID to beep1. Create a button on the project page. Select it and click Shortcut B for Properties. Click on both buttons to generate the procedure code. Press F11 to display Program Code Editor and type text as shown on the screen. Now press F9 and enjoy the sound you selected by pressing the button. Multiple video objects can be placed on a page to generate different sounds, or sound files can be selected in runtime.